everybody. This is no.
No.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back.
No, you got it. It's yours. It's
Are you
yours.
sure?
Yeah, it's yours.
Are you sure?
It's yours.
Welcome back to the family's garage. We got some, I don't know, we got some stuff.
It's a bag of goodies.
A bag of goodies from Roadkill Customs that Buzz sent for our no-name 500s that we wanted to show you. So look, see, this is my Vanna White presentation. It's beautiful.
So we got a no-name 500 banner and then a Roadkill Custom.
Way to go, you failed.
Roadkill Customs banner. You jerked it out of my hand. It's high quality.
Failed.
Buzz also sent us some business cards, which it's pretty funny. I'm pretty sure I've been to his website multiple times as I've been researching stuff. I had no idea that was where I was, but there's so much information on that site. You get there, he really does a good job marketing that, because you can get to that site. If you search anything, you end up there, it seems like. We got some no-name 500 decals for the cars. Got some Roadkill Custom decals. Got some smaller Roadkill Custom decals. I love the fact that there's plenty of decals because I love stickers.
Yes, a lot.
Little note. So Buzz says, glad you're part of the No-Name 500. Hang your banners in your shop or your garage. Use them in your videos. Put them in your pits when you go racing, which we definitely will. He's also got the links here on how he likes to help everybody improve their channels. Seems to be really good at that. So again, we really appreciate Buzz sponsoring the event. We really appreciate all the goodies. We're definitely gonna find a spot for all these stickers.
We're excited to come.
Oh yeah, really,
October, September.
It was pretty amazing to be part of the live feed the other night and pick up like 40 or 50 subscribers in one night. It was pretty awesome. We had kind of hit a stagnant part there. I think the conversation the other night steered in the right direction as far as the age group of the average guy that watches this stuff. Most 25-year-olds don't know what a Super B is. So, those 45-plus-year-old guys are, you really got to give them some good content for them to actually click the button. So, we really appreciate everybody's help with that and helping us get here.
Yes, thank you so much. And we will see you guys soon. I mean, not real soon, but soonish.
So what are you doing for your next video? Because I haven't heard anything from Mr. Hyde at all. Where you at, Ruben? Also, on that note, haven't heard anything about the Camaro. Nobody wants to run the Camaro. Like, I've never run it down the drag strip. Like, I don't know how fast it is. It does great burnouts. Don't be scared.
Please, somebody, because oh my God, he's driving me crazy.
Otherwise, I'm gonna put $1 million into this car and we'll just race it. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
No, we won't. He doesn't make those decisions.
You're not here all the time. Anyway, again, thanks to everyone. Thanks, Buzz, John, all you guys. Appreciate it.